Hey, in this video, I will show you how to add a Bluetooth widget to your iPhone. It's actually a very simple tutorial, so make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. The issue we are facing is when we hold our finger on our phone, click on plus where we have our widgets and we type in Bluetooth, you can actually notice that it is missing there. It's nowhere to be found, right? So the question is, where can you find it? How can you set it up? So the first way to actually quickly access Bluetooth is just swiping up, click on your Bluetooth, holding it like so, and you can connect to different devices or switching on and off from here. But another way to actually do that, actually have it as a widget right here, is first going over to the App Store. From there, you want to click on search and type in shortcuts. This is an app you probably have already installed on your phone. I do. So you want to have that. You want to click on open, just like I did right here. And here you have a bunch of options. You have your shortcuts, you have your edit button, your plus button. So you want to click on the plus button right here. Here you want to click on the first option, add action, and search for apps and actions. You want to type in Bluetooth. So here it is, set Bluetooth. And you want to click on turn. You don't want to have it on turn, you want to have it on toggle. So basically this will switch it on and off. You want to click on done, and here you have the set Bluetooth shortcut. So now you click on the three dashes right here, click on share. You want to add it to your home screen right here, and you can have it set as Bluetooth widget. You do that, you click add, just like so. And now when we actually go here to our apps, we'll have this shortcut. So what are the benefits of having this shortcut? Where did I put it? Here it is. When we actually click it, as you can see at the top, my Bluetooth is switching on or off. So it's as simple as that. If the video was helpful, give me a like, and I want to see you next one. Bye.